Click Machine Review. Boost your sales with automated buyer traffic. In the digital marketing world, traffic is the lifeblood of any successful campaign. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, product creator, or running a service-based business, getting the right people to see your offers is crucial. However, paid traffic often comes at a steep price, and organic methods can be slow. Enter Click Machine, a tool designed to provide real human buyer traffic on autopilot, all without the high costs of traditional advertising. In this Click Machine review, we'll explore how this traffic tool can boost your sales and why it's become a go-to solution for marketers. What is Click Machine? Click Machine is an automated traffic generation platform developed by Tony Earp. The system delivers real human traffic, meaning you're not getting clicks from bots or fake accounts, but from actual people who are interested in your offers. It operates on a rotator system, which means that your link is placed into a pool of other offers, and traffic is distributed evenly among them. This automated approach takes the manual work out of traffic generation, making it easier than ever to get buyer traffic to your offers. One of the main reasons marketers love Click Machine is its affordability. At just $4.97 per month, it's a fraction of the cost of typical paid traffic sources like Google Ads or Facebook ads. This Click Machine review will walk you through how it works, why it's effective, and what kind of results you can expect. Why Click Machine is a game changer. 1. Automated buyer traffic. The first thing to highlight in this Click Machine review is the automated nature of the traffic. Once your link is submitted to the platform, Click Machine takes over. It sends real people to your offers without requiring you to do any manual work. You don't need to spend time managing campaigns or adjusting settings. The system does it for you. What's important here is the quality of the traffic. These aren't random visitors but real individuals with a high interest in online offers, meaning they're much more likely to convert into buyers. In a marketing landscape where traffic is often inflated with bots, Click Machine's promise of 100% human traffic is a big deal. 2. Affordable traffic at just $4.97 a month. Another standout feature is Click Machine's affordability. Traditional paid traffic options like Facebook and Google Ads can quickly drain your marketing budget, often costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month. With Click Machine, you get access to real, quality traffic for just $4.97 per month. Additionally, if you sign up for the annual plan, you can get 12 months for the price of 10, which offers even more savings. This low-cost, high-reward approach is why so many marketers are turning to Click Machine as a budget-friendly alternative. It allows you to get the same level of traffic exposure for a fraction of the cost, all while saving you from the headaches of complex ad management. 3. Real human traffic, no bots. In this Click Machine review, the quality of the traffic is worth special attention. Unlike many other services that use bots or artificial clicks, Click Machine provides real human traffic. This means that your links are being viewed by actual people who are interested in the kinds of offers you're promoting. This greatly increases the likelihood of conversions, making the traffic far more valuable. Steve Bates, a satisfied Click Machine user, emphasized how the traffic transformed his affiliate marketing campaigns. After using the platform, Steve saw a significant increase in sales, all thanks to the consistent flow of buyer traffic from Click Machine. How does Click Machine work? The Click Machine system is simple and easy to use. Once you sign up, you submit your offer or affiliate link to the platform, and it gets placed into a rotator system. This rotator distributes traffic evenly among the various offers in the pool, ensuring each one gets its fair share of clicks. The more often your link is rotated, the more traffic you receive. What I found in my own Click Machine review is how consistent the traffic is. Unlike other traffic services where clicks come in sporadically or drop off after a few days, Click Machine consistently delivers visitors to your page. This consistency makes a big difference, especially if you're running campaigns that require a steady stream of traffic. My experience with Click Machine. I decided to test out Click Machine to see if it lived up to the hype. After signing up for the $4.97 monthly plan, I added my affiliate offer to the traffic rotator. Within the first day, I began to see clicks coming through. By the end of the first week, I had several conversions and a noticeable increase in engagement on my landing page. What stood out most to me was the quality of the traffic. The people visiting my offer weren't just bouncing off the page, they were actually engaging with the content and even signing up for my email list. In total, I saw a significant boost in sales and leads, all from the traffic ClickMachine generated. The fact that the system is fully automated made the experience even better. I didn't have to monitor or manage the campaign, everything was taken care of, allowing me to focus on other areas of my business. The hands-off approach combined with consistent traffic flow made ClickMachine a no-brainer for me. What other customers are saying? I'm not the only one who's seen success with ClickMachine. Stephen Brocklehurst, another happy user, mentioned that the automated rotator system allowed him to get high-quality traffic without spending time managing ad campaigns. He appreciated how straightforward the system was, and like many others, he saw a boost in sales after using ClickMachine. Emian Jacobs shared in his testimonial that ClickMachine was the perfect solution for his traffic needs. After struggling with paid traffic sources that didn't convert, he found ClickMachine to be a breath of fresh air, providing real buyer traffic that actually resulted in sales. FAQs about ClickMachine. Where does the traffic come from? ClickMachine sources its traffic from a network of real human users. These users come from targeted platforms where people are interested in online offers, ensuring that the clicks you receive are from potential buyers. Can I submit more than one offer? Yes. You can submit multiple offers to the rotator system, though additional spots may incur extra fees. This allows you to drive traffic to multiple products or services at once. What's the refund policy? ClickMachine offers a refund policy if you're not satisfied with the service. However, most users report high levels of satisfaction with the traffic they receive, as demonstrated in this ClickMachine review. Final thoughts. Is ClickMachine worth it? To conclude this ClickMachine review, I can confidently say that this tool is a game changer for marketers looking to drive buyer traffic without spending a fortune. With real human traffic, an automated system, and a price point of just $4.97 per month, ClickMachine is an affordable and effective solution for anyone looking to boost their sales. The simplicity, affordability, and quality of traffic make it a must-have tool for marketers at all levels. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, product creator, or business owner, ClickMachine is a valuable resource that can help you grow your business without the stress of expensive ad campaigns.